Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us work out this problem. We have 3 divided by 27 over 27 divided by 3. Most people, they think the answer is equal to 1 by taking 3 divided by 27 over 27 divided by 3. They think because on top there is 3 divided by 27 and the denominator there is 27 divided by 3. So they cancel here. They get is equal to 1 over 1. And they get the answer is equal to 1. Let us see the step-by-step how we can get the correct answer. We have 3 divided by 27 over 27 divided by 3. Let us first put the brackets. This is the same as in the bracket 3 divided by 27. This division is the same as this kind of division. In the bracket, 27 divided by 3. In this bracket, 3 divided by 27, I can put it as 3 over 27. 27 divided by 3, I can put it as 27 over 3. Now, this is already normal division fraction. That is going to be 3 over 27 multiplied by, I'm going to flip this fraction here, that is going to be 3 over 27. We can simplify by 3, 1, by 3, 9, by 3, 1, by 3, we get 9, 1 multiplied by 1, we got 1, 9 multiplied by 9, we got 81. And this is our correct answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions like this, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.